I'll be going over creating a database in your Azure Postgres flexible server, as well as filling out tables which are similar to what's deployed in your local environment. So recall that if we go to our Docker desktop, when the tool is deployed in your local environment, there are two containers for your databases. This first one is Recipes AI Data DB, and the second one is Recipes AI Recipes DB. So we'll essentially be copying over the data from these two databases into the flexible server in Azure. So navigate back to Azure and go to Settings, click on Databases. From here we can add a database, give it a name, we'll call it this HumAI test, save that, and then give it a moment to complete. Okay, so that's there in our databases now. And then next we'll want to connect to that database using dbeaver. So we'll go to dbeaver, right click, create, and then connection. Select Postgres, and then I'm going to start with the username. So from here, go back to Azure, and you can see that you'll want to log in using the admin credentials. So I have the admin login here, username Fandango Tango 99. Type that in. I already have the password copied, so I'll paste that. And then for the host, we'll want to get the endpoint. And then for the database, which is our newly created database, which is HumAI test. And then we can click on test connection. All right, that looks to be working. And then click on finish. All right, so now we have the database added into dbeaver. Next, we'll want to create the tables for the data DB. So here in dbeaver, you'll want to go into database, tools, and then create a new task. So you can name this task load data DB, and then the type of task, you can navigate all the way here to the bottom where we'll be using a Postgres script. Click on next, and then you'll want to select the target database. So we'll select HumAI test, drill all the way to the bottom so you can select the database, and then click on next. Okay, now you can select the input file. So we have this dump data.sql. We'll open that, and then click on next, and then proceed. All right, so this will take a couple of minutes to complete, but you can see the progress here on the lower right.